Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add collection on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and click on menu option. Then tap on Facebook profile. Scroll down and your all collection and just tap on new option and scroll down and add a collection. Just tap on this option, select and next and title. And done. Tap on done, refresh and add a collection. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.